We are continuing to create our building. So in previous tutorial we already finished our building. As you can see, the some external side, we did the roads, so it's now looking more and more realistic. Okay, I'm kidding, but it looks more like a project, not just something. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now? Right now, I forgot already did the staircase. Let's start with this staircase. As I said, this drawing is totally not clear. If you're following my tutorials, you know that. So that's why I will change a bit the idea of this building. So I will go to the level 1, and here is the entrance, as you can see. So you can entrance and go to the down, so to the basement, but from this way we will able to go the upstairs. So if I will go to the level 2, you will see, oh no, the different sides, I mean differently. We will make here it's going to the upstairs, here to downstairs. If I will go to the underground level, yeah, it's here you can entrance. So this is what we gonna do right now. Let's go to the architecture. Here we will find the staircase. Yes, it will take the time, but we will finish this one today. So our staircase will start from the right corner, from the underground level to the level 1. Okay, so and I'll create it. Let's create on the full height, 24 the rises. I will delete the railings. I don't need the railings, and I will change the thickness of my staircase. So here is my staircase. I will say okay. I will select my staircase and I will go to the 3D. So yeah, I prefer to work into 3D because it's better to understand what's going on with your staircase. As you can see, my staircase going to the upstairs, but as you understand, we have not enough space. First we should make the hole for our staircase. I will go to the level 1 and I will select my floor, and what we're gonna do, I will create here the hole for my staircase like this. Just trim it. Here it's interesting problem. Here we will connect like that. It will go like that, and yeah, we don't need that one, and we need only here the small thing. Let's connect it everything, and as you can see, it's going like that. And maybe we don't need even that one. What we were gonna do, I will make it like that. So yeah, it's making more hard to create it, but anyway. I will use the trim. I will connect here, and I will connect here, and I will delete this one. Let's say okay. So now we don't attach. Now we have here a hole. The next thing, we should decrease the number of our rises. I will do only 22. This is pretty enough for us. Let's say okay. Let's go inside, and I will make it smaller. I think till here. Even, yeah, it's better even if it's going from the downstairs to here. You're going and upstairs. Yeah, everything correct. So I will go to the 3D. It's really terrible when you trying to create project and just trying to making the same. You just trying to copy it, because you don't know exactly what the reason they have. Okay, so it's like that, and only this wall I should attach to this staircase. I will just make it smaller, or you can just change profile, up to you. I will just make it smaller, just a bit bigger like that. And I will just try to join it. So it's impossible to join. It's okay, I will make it a bit smaller. I did a bit smaller. Okay, and now our staircase coming really on the right side, as you can see. Actually, we should have here some like land path, but as you can see, it's impossible for this kind of situation. It's okay. So Okay, so maybe it's not the basement, it's not so deep, I don't know, but if we check the drawings, the basement is deep as the average level, as you can see. So it's really interesting to see the real drawings. Okay, so let's check the distance between this one to this one. Oh, it's totally small. No, 700 is small. Let me, I will place from this side. Okay, even I'm ready to say this is 22 raises, as I said. Yes, okay. Let me, I will go to the 3D, and it's coming here. So no, it's not, it shouldn't be coming here. Let level 1, double click, select on that, and let's minus even 2. So let's say okay, we'll go to 3D, and here I can place one more lander. Where's my level? One more I need. Okay. So let me, I will do some changes, because without the changes it's not will be work perfectly. Okay. And now we should place our wall here. Oh, this is really interesting. Let's align it. Let's align it. I say it align. I say it align. Now everything right. Okay, so and we need the door. Where's my door? Here is the door, and I need small door. Like this. And as you can see, they don't have the trouble to open up it. So, and here we should get the lander. As you can see, we should do something with this one. So let me, I will select my staircase. I said select my staircase, edit my staircase, cancel it. I don't need this rail, I don't like rails. And let me, I will make it bigger, like we have the distance here. And we will place here the landing. Let me, I will draw the landing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Use the trim key. Where's the trim? To draw the landing. Okay. We're done with that. As you can see now, it's perfectly going the deep. Let me go to the 3D, and as you can see, everything right here. So here is the door. We have here the distance for making the one step. No one will fall down, no worries about that. And here we have exactly the line. But the problem we have on the underground level, the thickness, it's okay, we can change it. As I said, if I will get the normal drawings, we will get the normal result. As you understand, we didn't. Okay, so now we have only graphical problem, but we will solve it later on, not on this tutorial. Let me, I will go to the level 1, and what we're gonna do right now. Right now we should place one more staircase from this side to the left, so to the level 2. Let me, I will just select this staircase, and I will just copy it, why not? And I will place it from the same distance, I mean from the same side to the level what we want. Again, 24 rises here. I don't know the situation on the level 2. We will check it right now. As you can see, here is my level 2. Again, it's lander. Oh, how it's don't like this, right? Railings. I always forgot to delete it. It's okay. Let me, I'll select it, delete, select, delete. And as you can see, again, interesting thing, our staircase should finish on this position. So -2 rises. Yeah, really interesting. Let me, I will do 22. I'll say okay. I will go inside to the staircase. I will select it. As you can see, here is the extra 2, and I will disincrease it. Only 22. We did it. Only 22. This one, this thing, it's not good, but if we will make the railing like around, it will be okay. It's like you starting follow there, but if you wanna put some big, I don't know, stuff on the next level, each railing will make your really noisy thing. So what I'm gonna do, I will say here is 21 rises. I know the staircase will become 1190 millimeter. This is in my country this is not right, so this is really a huge problem. But maybe in Italy this is okay, because this building I think in Italy. So but anyway, this is really strange thing. Okay, I will select this one, 21 rises, edit stair, and I will make it minus extra one. Okay, and now we should create one landing. I will create the landing. It will be here. It will be really small. This landing only to make the small step between our floor and our rises. Let's say okay, and as you can see, it's small one here. So now I should select my floor. So I will reset what I hide here. I will hide again this one. I will hide by element. And now I should find my floor. Where is my floor? I will go to the 3D. I will select it. I can go to this level 2, edit the boundary, and now we will say where is our opening. So here's our opening, like this, and I think we will do like this. Trim. Again, don't forget your line should be closed. Say okay, don't touch. I will go to the 3D, and as you can see, here is the going to the next level. So as you can see, we didn't get any problem with that. So, and what I did, as you can see, here's the basement. We're going from the basement to the level 1. We're going to turn around. From the level 1 we're going to the level 2. But if you look around these drawings, you not will understand clearly what's going on here, because we have only one entrance for this staircase from level 1, but on the level 2 we have on the basement we have the same direction, and at the level 1 we have the level 2 we have also the same direction. Maybe it's a small mistake. Okay, I not will mention on that again, just like for your understandable what's going on. Now I will select my staircase, which going to the upstairs. I will go to the edit stair, and I will add the extra landing path. So because this entrance will be just for landing, I will add it here. Let's use the trim. And here we are. Maybe we can, no, this is not structurally, it's not right to making it inside, but we need the same material, and I think it's okay for us. So sorry guys who are studying on the construction, I know this is not right by construction. So what we're gonna do, SL trim, and I will connect it like that. Maybe later on we will change it if I will find it really terrible. Let's say okay, stair run landing has invalid parameters. So will check what the problem, landing's mono thickness. Okay, with the Revit no wanna make it. They have the reason. Revit have the reason for that. Let's say okay. Oh, this one it's relative height, the 0. I think it's minus 4,000 millimeter above. It's why it cannot create. It's interesting. Let me think. Here is my level going from the oh wait, hold on. This going from the level 1 to the level 2. And I want to create the landing. Yes, by this gauge. Okay, and I want to create it here. And Revit no wanna make it, because we already have the landing on the next level. Yeah. Okay, then if you don't wanna make it like that, we can use our floor, so it's not will be bad mistake. I just thinking to make it more properly for us, but okay, we can use the floor. Let's me use the trim, and done. So it's much better, much faster. Let me, I will go to the level trim. Oh, here it's, we should solve this problem. We will solve it. And as you can see, here is our landing, fake landing. So you can select even you can select your staircase, and what you're gonna do actually, if you want, you can go to the edit staircase, select your staircase, and for example begin from the rises. You can uncheck it and place it more deeply, or you can make extend below, so you can say -100 like this, and as you can see, it's starting to connect. So you can make it like that if you want. The same thing for this side. If you will select it, here it's already alright, because this is actually landing. So same thing for that side, but we have here the fully connection, we don't need it. Okay, done. So now you can more work with the for example, with the our floor. You can place it inside of the wall, you can don't place it inside of the wall, but we will fix it on the last point. Now we are trying to finish our model. So here I can see one thing more. Actually, I don't wanna place here the door, but I cannot leave it at the full height here. So what I will do, I will select my basic wall, I will go to the edit profile, and I will just draw the line here, just straight line. Select this line, and I wanna just calculate from the basement, and I wanna make the height 2400 millimeter, like this. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I wanna make here the wall, so I will select this, pick the profile, like this. So as you can see, yes, you can draw everything in 3D, and let's connect it everything. Done. Let's say okay, and as you can see, we get our entrance without any changes. So let's continue with the our level 1. We did already our staircase, and now we can continue working with the internal things. So let's finish the level 1 in this series, in this tutorial. What we will do right now. As you can see here, we have here we have the window. So, and let's create the window. As you understand, this type of the windows I prefer to create by curtain wall. So just use the architecture, go to the curtain wall and find which you want. I will use this one because this is exactly what I want, the wall empty. Let's use the create similar, and let's place it exactly on this side, from this side to this one. Here it's really hard to understand where I should place it. Delete element, delete element. So this one, it's really hard to understand where you can place it. First, before we will place it, what we should do, let's go to the modify, here the connect wall joints, and let's change the wall joints by meter, and as you can see, it's cutting by this way, and here we'll do the same thing. So now we can exactly place our curtain wall. Let me, I will place it. I will check, is it have the automatically embedded? Yes, it's have. And let's place it like this, and let's make it bigger till this line, and till actually it should be go by this line, exactly by this line. Let me, I will draw the some guidance. And now I can exactly place it on the line. Okay, now I will just select this guidance, I don't need it anymore, and as you can see, we place it here. Let me, I will go to 3D to this, I will do really fast, and section box, and this window is here. And as you can see, it's really huge, it's going so high. Let me, I will place it exactly this side, and yes, this is what I want. And as you can see, it's exactly what we wanna get. Okay, let me, I will go back to the level 1, and here it's not only one surprise, we have the more surprises. As you can see, we have on the level 1, we have the windows here, we have the windows here, and if you will check my drawings, we don't have the windows here and here. Actually, again, you can create the window, or you still can continue with the curtain wall. This is also not the problem. If you will next I mean, like, if you are able to calculate it, it's okay, you can use the curtain wall. I will use the curtain wall because I know how you will calculate it. Let me, I will make approximately 2 meters. Here is our bedroom. Let me, what I will do, here is exactly, let me, I will place like that, and I need to understand the distance which I have from this side to this point. So it's terrible. I wanna 1500 millimeter, like this. Okay, now we have now we have here the 2 meter and 1000. Now I will go to the 3D to fix it up, because this is totally huge, because here the people sleeping. Do I have any pictures from this side? I don't think so. They so smart, because it's from that side. Yeah, actually all the windows, as you can see, going till the floor. Yeah, as you can see, it's still the floor, and I think we will follow this idea. I think it's uncomfortable sleeping when everyone can see what you're doing there. Yeah, for my reason, it's really uncomfortable. Anyway, this is not my house and not my problem. I will copy it, and I will make here the small window, because actually here we have already, as you understand, the bathroom. I hope the bathroom is closed, because no one is see what's going on there. Maybe only some special people only. Let me, I will just turn it, because I wanna turn it on external side. And I will turn it this one too. Okay, much better. Let me, I will go to the 3D. And now we will make it smaller. First, what I'm gonna do, I will select this window, and you will find here the base offset. Base offset minimal, I will do 1200 millimeter, like this. Even much, 1000, maybe 900 millimeter. And from the level 2, minus 1000, even smaller. I wanna make it like, oh no, it's totally small, minus 1200. Yeah, I know it's out of the style, but I think it's same, something like that, because it's really terrible when everyone can see what's going on inside. Maybe we have the picture with that. Let me, I will check. I hope it's not that one. No, it's not that one. No, not any picture of that location, and we can say, yeah, we can say we did everything right. So here the window. Maybe we have the more windows. Let me, I will check one more time. Here is the level. Here is the, no, so we don't have any windows anymore. We have only the doors. Here we have the sliding doors, and here we have sliding door. Let me, I will check, do we have in standard library sliding doors? Actually we should. Let me go to the load to the family, and I will go to the UK doors, internal doors, and let me check double doors. And do we have it? No, we don't have any sliding doors, but we can create it. Maybe we can use the one of this door to create the sliding door. No, we don't have it, so it's interesting. Maybe door, this is iron, structural door, and external doors. We have a lot of different external doors. Oh, we have the garage doors, so let's load it inside, because under level, on the basement, we have garage door here, and we can place it right now. So it's here. 2, it's too small. Yeah, it's really small, but it should be around 3 meter or much. Let me, I will duplicate it and I will do it 3 meter, because 2 meter it's even 3.5. Maybe I have the really big car. So 2 meters is totally small. The rough width 3 and 500 millimeter. Let's say okay. Yes, this is what we want. And let's place it. Now it's much better. And as you can see, here is the garage door. And yes, now much better. It's enough for our car. It's so small. Okay, and the next tutorial we will create the door, sliding door. I think we will use this one standard door. We will just do some changes for that one, and we will do sliding door. We have 2 sides where we should place the sliding door. 3, 1, 2, 3 sides. We not will place any furniture, so because it will take a lot of the time, and after that we will go to the level 2. Thank you guys, see you next time.